As the launch of the Galaxy S25 series approaches, Samsung is building excitement with a stunning hologram teaser. The company has unveiled an official teaser featuring captivating holographic projections combined with voice elements. Samsung describes this as a significant leap forward, introducing a new era of Galaxy AI mobile experiences. The teaser video showcases Samsung lighting up London's cityscape with a live holographic display. This hologram has turned urban spaces into vibrant artistic showcases, creating anticipation for the Galaxy S25 series. The immersive experience offers a glimpse into the next generation of mobile AI, which will be officially unveiled next week. With its live holographic activations and voice narration, the teaser invites viewers to join the Galaxy Unpacked event and live stream. From marine life and exotic plants to sports highlights and a lantern-filled sky, the holographic projections showcase a rich variety of visuals. Now let's watch the full teaser video. But here's the quick reminder. Samsung's $5,000 giveaway ends in just 4 days. If you haven't done reservation for the Galaxy S25 series, do that because you can even win up to $5,000 Samsung credit. Link is in the description below. Courtesy of Android Headlines has revealed exciting new AI-powered features coming to these devices. The company is placing significant emphasis on in-device AI integration, introducing a feature called Now Bar. This bar appears on the lock screen at the bottom, nestled between the two shortcut buttons. Users can swipe up or down to toggle through these bars, which adapt to your device usage patterns. The phone will provide daily briefings with personalized information, including weather updates, health data like sleep insights, and more. In addition to Bixby, Samsung is integrating Google's Gemini AI for advanced functionality. Gemini will assist with voice commands and streamline tasks like sending a message with a location address. With one-tap confirmation, users can finalize actions effortlessly. Samsung may unveil even more AI-powered capabilities for the Galaxy S25 series later. Improved night mode. The leaked video showcases significant improvements in nighttime videography. A direct comparison of night mode on and off highlights the stark difference, promising better low-light performance. Audio Eraser, a game-changing feature. Building on the Magic Eraser tool for photos, the Galaxy S25 series introduces Audio Eraser. This new feature, part of the Galaxy AI suite, allows users to edit or mute specific audio elements in video clips. Accessible through the Gallery app, the feature provides easy-to-use controls that appear during video previews. Users can adjust background voices, music, wind, crowd noise, and more by scrubbing a bar left or right to modify the sound levels. This tool supports common video formats and can target 6 types of sounds: voice/speech, music, noise, crowd, nature, and wind. The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a powerhouse of innovation, making everyday tasks smarter and more efficient. Samsung is building excitement for the Galaxy S25 series with new teasers. The company is lighting up famous landmarks around the world with stunning visuals ahead of the big launch on January 22, 2025. Recently, Samsung shared fresh teasers for the Galaxy S25 Unpacked event, including a light show under a clear night sky. A short video highlights the Galaxy AI on the new flagship phones and shows how well the nightography feature works for taking great photos in low light. The video also features phrases like "next level Galaxy AI" and "light years ahead." By the way, if you haven't done reservation for the Galaxy S25 series, do that because you can even win up to $5,000 Samsung credit. Link is in the description below. Samsung is wooing people with beautiful light shows and laser displays in London, featuring a Galaxy AI hologram.
The 6th generation of that one. That's out already.
Now let's talk about the previous official teasers. But before that, Eamon Blass has shared more official images of the Galaxy S25 series. The Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus appear quite similar, featuring identical designs and color options including light blue, light green, dark blue, and silver. A trained eye is necessary to identify the differences between the vanilla and Plus renders, but we assure you they are indeed distinct images. We can observe the slim bezels and flat displays, and it's evident that the frame is also flat. The Galaxy S25 Ultra bids farewell to its sharp corners, now featuring a more rounded design for enhanced in-hand feel. The bezels are definitely thinner, just as the rumors and leaks indicated. Images come from EvLeaks, who sent them to a mail list. Now let's talk about the previous teasers.
Hey, I'm off to the next meeting, but I need to find an Italian restaurant, outdoor seating, pet-friendly, of course. Can you send that to Luca? Oh, and can you put it in my calendar?
Samsung has released 2 new short teaser videos to build excitement around the Galaxy S25's enhanced integration with the Bixby Assistant. First teaser, titled "A True AI Companion is Coming," the 17-second clip offers a glimpse into Bixby's upgraded capabilities. In the video, an office worker demonstrates the power of the updated Bixby by finding a pet-friendly Italian restaurant with outdoor seating, sharing that information with someone else, and scheduling the meeting in the calendar app, all in a single spoken command.
Hey, I'm off to the next meeting, but I need to find an Italian restaurant, outdoor seating, pet-friendly, of course. Can you send that to Luca? Oh, and can you put it in my calendar?
This seamless interaction with Bixby is made possible by advanced AI-driven improvements, enabling the virtual assistant to excel in natural language processing (NLP). How well this functions in real-world scenarios remains to be seen. Samsung has also teased an AI camera feature on the Galaxy S25 powered by Bixby. The company's latest teaser showcases how Galaxy AI and Bixby enable users to turn the night sky into stunning visual masterpieces using only voice commands. The Galaxy S25 series integrates Bixby and AI directly into the camera app, offering users an effortless way to capture moments through voice control. This innovation marks a significant leap forward in smartphone photography, unlocking a new level of convenience and creativity. As highlighted in Samsung's X post, the new AI feature powered by Bixby empowers Galaxy S25 users to enhance nightography and transform the night sky into breathtaking visuals using voice prompts. This points to advanced AI capabilities within the Galaxy S25 series, specifically designed to improve night photography and videography. It's part of Samsung's broader vision to enhance mobile experiences through AI integration. More details about these integrated features will be unveiled at Samsung's Unpacked event on January 22 in San Jose, California. Enhancements in night videography for the Galaxy S25 Ultra are expected to be a highlight of the event. Ahead of the highly anticipated January 22 launch event, details about the Galaxy S25's upcoming Galaxy AI features have surfaced. These features include YouTube video summarization, music identification, enhanced routines, and a homework assistant. By the way, if you haven't done reservation for the Galaxy S25 series, do that because you can even win up to $5,000 Samsung credit. Link is in the description below. The Galaxy S24 marks Samsung's debut of Galaxy AI, and since then the company has steadily expanded its AI capabilities. With the Galaxy S25, Samsung aims to introduce even more tools designed to simplify daily tasks from entertainment to productivity. According to tipster Amit Quater, the following Galaxy AI features are expected to debut with the Galaxy S25 series. YouTube Notes generates a text summary of a YouTube video's content and saves it directly to the Samsung Notes app. Music Search identifies songs and their artists. It's unclear whether this applies to music played on the phone or in the surrounding environment. Homework AI, similar to Google's Circle to Search, this feature assists in solving equations, providing a step-by-step breakdown. Routines Galaxy AI will suggest personalized routines such as recommending apps for driving, music to play, or navigation routes using GPS. It remains uncertain which of these features leverage Google's Gemini AI and which are powered by Samsung's proprietary Gauss AI. Another tipster, Chunbai, mentioned that the Galaxy S25 will include exclusive AI features driven by Google Gemini, with more details expected soon. The Galaxy S25 series, including the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, is likely to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip globally. With its upgraded NPU for advanced on-device AI processing, some of the features may remain exclusive to these new models. Are you excited for these new AI features? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.